Turn off the ignition. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the diesel filter on the upper left of the engine compartment. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, push on the coloured part of the connector. Then, at the same time, pull on the hose upwards to disconnect it. Repeat the operation for the second hose. With a flat screwdriver still in hand, put pressure on the plastic locking tab on the connector to free it from the holding stud, then remove it. Using a small socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the holding screws on the diesel filter. You don't have to take it off. Just undo it enough to be able to release the filter and take it out. Then, position yourself over a liquid collection container and pivot the water sensor on the filter 1/4 turn anti-clockwise. Lift it up to extract it. Compare the new filter with the old one. Then, remove the covers and protection found on the new filter element. Insert the water sensor into its placement, paying careful attention to the position of the studs. You should now pivot it clockwise to lock the holding studs in the correct position. Insert the new filter into its housing and screw the holding screw using a socket wrench. Clip the diesel inlet and outlet hoses. And finish with electrical connector. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Unscrew the plastic purge valve a little. It is located above the filter. This will allow the air contained within the circuit to be released. Close it and finish by starting your vehicle. Operation completed.